mistake of just watching, well, watching some of my old streams. Wow. Just wow. That's all I'm gonna say. Just wow. And I made the fatal mistake of watching how I acted yesterday. Oh, the cringe. Oh, the cringe. Oh, the cringe. It is what it is. You know what? I guess maybe just cringy Maya is the way to go from now on. And we're just gonna stick with it. It's fine. Anyways, oh wait, I should maybe get mama stuff together. David, what up? Don't be mean. I'm checking and doing ideas, cool. Are we all, no, yeah, there we go. I have gotten absolutely nothing sorted out, so you guys are just gonna have to bear with me while I sort my brain cells out, sort my life. Cool. This is starting great. This is starting amazing. I'll get there eventually. Think I should. Hey Mike, what's up? How are you doing? Go away. Damn it, it is what it is. I basically constantly live with a headache, so you just keep going with it. Oh, I touched the lens. Then I'll fix that. Solly, good morning, sir. How are you doing today? Solly, you didn't trade yesterday, did you? Or New York session is what I was trying to say. You didn't trade New York session. Hello, what's up? Thomas, my man. Hey, I've been missing you. How's it going? How's the wow, I'm blind. How's the trading been going? I never think my eyes are that bad. Like, I can read it, but it's, you know, it's not ideal. And then I put the glasses on and I'm like, oh, you know, it's pretty clear. And then I take them off and I go, damn, I can't see anything. Hello, love, back from South Africa. Are we all ready? Yeah, guys, like I said, I watched some old videos. Oh. Maybe that's what gave me a headache. Just watching that. Treatment's good, I think. No ways, Thomas. Are you serious? That is amazing. Melendrov, hi. How are you? I gotta wait. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I gotta fix like 15 things. Quick sticks. Thanks, David. Such a chop. Oh my gosh, you are such a chop. That is hilarious. When sleeping through New York morning session, I keep waking up just as you. Ah, but that's okay, Solly. Do you then do you still trade the New York afternoon? How does the New York PM session treat you, Solly? Ayo, Rip! How's it going? Sorry, like I said, I'm doing like 50 different freaking things today. What? I'll have to fix that later. It is what it is. Fine, be that way. Moving on. Oh, I've missed a lot. I missed a lot. Sorry. Thanks, Rip. It's super hot today, so I'm wearing a dress. I don't wear dresses very often. I'm not a dress girl. I mostly just live in tights, to be fair. So yes, for me to wear a dress is weird. Okay. Now I can focus back here. And live stream blah 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 blah. Is this crypto? No, I can take trade yesterday after missing open. 23 points in the market to go up like 2. Damn, Thomas, that's cool. Hey, Steven, what's up? How's it going? Okay. This is a very interesting day. This is starting great. 37 degrees at my house. Solly, it's supposed to be 30 degrees here today. So I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to ride the horses in this freaking heat. Don't know if it's even worth it, but let's see. This is gonna annoy so many people. Sorry, I'm giggling because of yesterday's afternoon. Accent. Hey Kat, I'm from South Africa. Yeah, to wet the bed last night. Nice, Solly. You know what? If it works, it works. Hey, Stotts. What up, Stotts? How you doing? Do I know trigonometry? Yeah. Marky, gambling away mommy and daddy's money. No. Number one, not gambling. Number two, mommy and daddy don't got no money. This is my money. Prabak, what's up? How's it going? In 30 degrees. Moving in. So for today, I'm not ready at all. I had to look at code early in the morning, but you know the drill, same as yesterday. Yeah, Rip. Don't worry, me and you both. Can you see? I'm trying to sort myself out. I don't know why. It feels like time is just going really quickly. I had to do things, and then when I came back, I was like, whoa, where did the time go? So don't worry, I'm also, it's gonna take me a minute to sort myself out. So everybody, please bear with me. Must take off the glasses. I think that's the first time anyone has ever said take off the glasses. How's the situation in South Africa? Special one and common. Oh, interesting class. Well, yeah, but there's no issues. Well, I guess it's who you ask. For me, no issues. Oh, sorry, Thomas. Yeah, sorry. No. 30 degrees Celsius. Yes, it hot as hell. What was I doing? I'm marking out things. Here is yesterday's New York low. Sorry guys, let me catch up with myself. It takes a minute. I'm gonna stay in there. Then theoretically respect that. Interesting. And I'm just gonna be talking to myself. I realize I do that quite often. Like I said, I made the fatal mistake of watching some of my old streams. It's fine. It is what it is. Looking back, so cringy. But anyway, it's fine. We carry on. Wait. Let me focus on where we are at for the day. Here's one, so here's Asia low. this has now been completely filled. Awesome sauce. Alrighty, Roo. And now Asia, hi. Let's do this. It's an alarm going off. I'm just gonna ignore that. Okay, okay. Rip, I like that. I try to, it's really hard. Trade stuff. Hey! Approval? Yes? What up? Oh, no, I'm not saying. That's okay, Thomas. Go sleep. Go sleep. Yeah. Augustine? How's it going? 50-50 looking, please, on trading view. Trade Delicious. Hi, it has been a while. How have you been? How's it all been going? Just from my understanding. Okay, well, that got very political very quickly. Always thank you, I think. Good luck, everyone. Remember, chase discipline, not money. Yes. Thomas, words to live by. Maybe that is tomorrow's quote. Sorry. I'm being extra weird today. You guys are just gonna have to cope. I'm so sorry. Oh, the weirdness is here. We're doing it. No, it's not true. Do I like pizza? Yes. I love pizza. Pizza is amazing. Believe it or not, I do love food. I just forget to eat, but I love food. Probably a good thing I forget to eat, or else Domino's or Pizza Hut. I have very limited options where I am right now, so the options are go to a very fancy Italian restaurant or get Debonaise. So, Debonaise. Rip is looking delicious. I've missed something. Hey Jonathan, what's up? Look at Scalper. What up? Hey Jose. Well, let's see. Maybe today I'll be a lucky duck. Well, let's see. I'm already in the green. Thanks, David. No. So maybe today is gonna be a lucky duck day. No. Hey, Chandru, what's up? How's it going? Austin, I have not looked at the prominent daily wicks level lately. How are they looking? Like I said, guys, I'm getting there. One thing at a time. Can I be your friend? Of course, we're all friends here. David, New York was fine. It was super choppy during the AM session. I see I missed some awesome moves during the afternoon. It literally was just very slowly headed upwards. I only missed one trade that would have been a win, but I missed it. It was too choppy. Yeah, you know, it just wasn't ideal trading conditions yesterday for me. I know some people probably loved it, but for me, it was not ideal. So it is what it is. Chandrix, teach Maya trading. Oh, damn. Rip, did you just friend zone David? Rough. Trading app, I'm using Project X right now on Top 1 Futures. Great, there's a 22 Pepito. No, I made $300 yesterday on the charts. Something beautiful that just happened at 3 a.m. Yeah, you should feel bad, Rip. You should feel bad. Maybe you need to go in a 1-minute timeout today, Rip. Project X, I'm using Top 1 Futures Prop Firm. Sorry, I said that really fast. I apologize. Saint, you're looking for a sell. Nice. Yes, I did. Anyways. Here we go. 16. Focus, right? Gotta focus up. Let's do this. Hey, it starts. Thank you. Forex. No, sorry. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Sorry about that. Hello, Lani. Hi. You think it's going to be a sell now? I haven't checked. Okay. Pause. Everyone pause. It's not going back up. Little bit of an inverse fair value gap that's created on the 15-minute. Nothing hectic. Sorry, when in doubt, zoom out, right? Okay, completely filled that gap. Okay. 1 hour. Yep. I feel like I want to aggravate, Jordy's not here though. I want to aggravate Jordy and draw a trend line just to annoy him, but no, that's mean. Let me not do that. I really want to do though, don't get me wrong, but I will not do that to Jordy. That's not nice. MG5GM, what's up? Austin, okay, good question. Well, give me a minute. Come, thank you. Okay. I'm back. I'm back. Let's do this. How long I've been trading? Austin, I've been trading since April this year. So slowly climbing into a year of trading, which is exciting, scary, but exciting. How long? Yes. And my approach to learning. So I had a friend that taught me the basics and kind of sent me some super basic videos to watch. Like I said, before, let's say Jan, Feb, well, this year. I keep saying last year as if we're already in 2026. So let's say Jan, Feb, I didn't even know what candles were. Like, I was completely oblivious to everything to do with trading. Everything. So I literally had to start from the ground up, and here we are. Yeah, so NQ, Pepito, I'm on NQ. Is that a VWAP? Yes, it is, Jose. He's in 8 p.m. New York time and London. Is it? That was without what's that? Yep. Makes Project X look like the dinosaur ages. Starts. I feel like I missed something. What does? Saint, you sold? Okay, good luck. Let's see, Saint. Do I like Taco Bell? I've never had Taco Bell. Sorry, love. We don't got Taco Bell in South Africa. Only true trader. Good morning. Good morning. But yes, good luck, Saint. Let's see what happens. Saint, you sold right into the inverse fair value gap. Asia's been having some pretty hectic movements lately. Okay. Let me now wait for my confirmation and my proper setup before I jump in on anything. But anyways, Only True Trader, how's it going? Starts? I am using Project X though. I'm a little confused. Who is still... Wait, Saint? Are you still in the cell? The inverse was on the 5-minute. No, it was not. It was on the 15-minute chart. Popped right into here. I want to see how it does on the 1-minute. Okay, back to the 1. Okay. David, should you buy ribs for dinner tomorrow? I mean, ribs sound nummy, so I guess. Great, one more winning day and I'm about to request another decent. Only True Trader, that's amazing. Whoop whoop, did you get a trade then yesterday afternoon? Cool, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Where's all the wealth going to end up? Augustine? What do you mean by that? Am I profitable? Not yet, no. Mohammed, gold, can you please tell about gold? I haven't really looked at the gold charts. And I don't really know gold that well. Is anyone here trading gold? Where's everyone who's trading gold at? How does the gold look? How long have you been trading? How do you trade? Austin, did I not answer that? No, I didn't. Not really. Gold trade, but I did take an ES long and ended in a loss. No! Only True Trader. No, but that's okay though, right? You live and you learn. I expect nothing else from Florida. Just joking. Jose, very bullish here. Hey Michael, how's it going? Guys. Just need confirmation that it's gonna continue. Oh, wait. Change there. We have like a B set up here. I'm a B, sorry. Oh, so many hiccups. Saint, boom, nice. Whoop whoop for Saint then, right? Yeah. So only true trader, out of curiosity, right? What did you do different? What did you do different? Was it just that you were more disciplined? Oh dear, do I know him? No. Which trade is this? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Pancakes, waffles, or French toast? Ooh. They're all good, but I want to say waffles. Team concentrating the green on that. Ah, Jose, it has its days, right? It has its days. Ow! Sorry. Targeting midnight open. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Yaz. Thank you, thank you. Claudia, only man who cracked market. Again, 225, 160. Austin, what's at that level? Thank heavens. See, don't trade the B setup. Well, I say that, watch it go up now just because I said that, but it's fine. It's fine. Kalalani, he does, kind of, I think. He has a Discord. Oh, thanks, yes. I feel like what I did is stop trying to trade like ICT because I'm not him. I took one of his entries I liked and stuck to it and added time frame alignment, that's all. Yeah, I think it just shows that, yeah, I know I've been saying this and I've been preaching it, but everyone is different and some things make sense to some people. And you just take what makes sense to you and you make it work. Oh, you little biscuit. No, wait. Yeah, just wait, I'm waiting for confirmation. Sorry, dying. Oh, that's okay, we're okay. Hey Jason, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Good morning back. Let's do this thing, right? We're all in this together. Exactly the way I trade is so simple. Like steps. That don't take the trick. But only true trader, that's... Trading isn't supposed to be complicated. Like, it's not easy, don't get me wrong. But it's not theoretically supposed to be complicated. Find what works for you and stick with it. I think it's more the discipline, right? Of not just hopping in on something because you want to. Good night. Eric, what's up? Yeah, you get used to that. Moving on. This is normal. I wasn't phased at all. Yep. Abusa, what's up? How long have I been trading and how did I approach learning, studying, practicing, and learning all together? Okay, I'll answer this again. Austin, focus. So I've been trading sugar honey iced tea. I've been trading since April. Dagnabbit, but I would be going anyway, sorry. I've been trading since April only, so not even a year yet. A friend taught me the basics. The rest I kind of, you know, had to do my own research, if you will. And obviously back testing for days. the Excel spreadsheets are there. And here wait, what was the other bit? Studying, backtesting, blending it all together. Well, blending it all together was just backtest, find a strategy that works for you, that makes sense to you, and then prop firms to blend it all together, because I think the most challenging part of trading, just in my opinion, is the mental side. Sticking to your, well, have your rules, stick to your rules, and being disciplined, and that is so hard. And the emotions, I tried to pretend like I didn't let emotions get to me. I was like, I'm not emotional when I started trading. Damn, I was emotional when I started trading. Thanks so much for asking yourself. I'm currently sussing out use theory. I got my indication, just waiting on the correction so we can trade the continuation. Ooh, nice, Jason. How long have you been trading for? Do I actually make pretty good money trading and isn't consistent? So I'm not profitable yet. Putting it out there. Okay? Because I know everyone kind of gets excited and hopeful for that. I'm still new. I'm not profitable yet. Touch wood, I'm getting better, but like I said, it was the discipline factor. I used to just jump in on everything and anything, and then the win rate was disgusting, and I had a really bad like risk to reward strategy. So yeah, but on the plus side, I have not blown this prop account. Touch wood. There was a moment there I thought I was going to. I had like 2 or 3 red days in a row, and I was like, ah, this is it, I'm gonna blow it. But it's getting there. But okay, to answer your question, you can make pretty good money trading. I think the misconception is that it's going to be quick and easy to do it. It is neither quick nor easy. What helped me the most that I took this year to completely start over right and start joining into. Yeah, I found one that I've always used, just didn't notice. Oh, interesting, Only True Trader. I think I've asked you this before. What do you use to journal and backtest? I'm pretty sure I've asked you before, I'm sorry. Hey Rick, what's up? How's it going? Mine gets emotional. I do not name them. The only downside is I can miss a lot of. I would get more if I used all of those. But okay, Only True Trader, I'm assuming you've backtested those and they don't work out as well. I love backtesting. I mean, before testing and collecting so much data and journal entries. And Austin, how's it been going for you? Rick, let's say 300. Today Rick made fun of you. Wow. Rip, why are you being mean? What did Rip do? Rip, why are you being mean? Yeah, honestly, why? Wow, Rip is spicy today, guys. He used to come out here and just be chill and just give levels, and now Rip has found his spiciness. Don't get me wrong, I'm all for it. It's so entertaining, but damn. I see we are stuck on VWAP. Saint, what's my checklist? I mean, there's a few things, but I essentially need 3 or more confluences. Needs to be at least some momentum. It can't be choppy. This right now, choppy, not great. There's a bunch of things. Sorry, you asked me the question and my brain went blank. It panicked. I don't know why I panicked. Sorry. When my brain calms down, I will go through the checklist for you properly. Use Notion and TradeZilla. Been trading for a year as of yesterday. Nice! And I've been profitable finally for the past 6 months. It's been a battle, but we finally got through that report. Oh! Jason, whoop whoop, that's amazing! So there's hope for me yet, guys. There's hope for me yet. Most nerve systems that work into think repeat over and over. Daily moves and predict them ahead of time. Oh, nice, Austin. That's good though. Turning it off. Flash. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of comments coming at me right now. It's not a bad thing, but anyways, a rip is always spicy. Oh goodness. Am I at one? Okay. Gotta go 25160 and then hit here. One more. Hey Bob, Bob, are you good? Why are you awake? Boom, there's just a lot of chaos going on right now, to be honest. Not much else. Aw. Oh well. Moving on. Gonna close that before I see it hit TV. Fine. Boom Banana, how are you doing? Hello, hello. How's it going? What do I say to encourage upcoming traders? Ooh. The only thing I can say is don't give up. Believe me, there's been some days where I hop off and I'm just like, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? But you have to just keep pushing through because every day you learn something new and every day you're going to become closer and closer to becoming profitable. I think the ones that aren't profitable are the ones that give up and are the ones that assume that it's quick and easy. Of course, that's just in my opinion. What do I know? Boom Banana, did you mean to call Bob Boo? If you did, that's adorable. Possible just risk management and studying, really. I have so much information in my brain. You've been learning since you were 13. Damn, what made you want to start learning at 13? Out of curiosity. Okay. Okay. Did hit that 50%. That was a goodie. Now. Come on. This is not really giving us much right now, is it? London has been a tad bit slow, but it is what it is. I could do such a sneaky one. I could do such a sneaky one. I could do such a sneaky one. It's an itty bitty one. But it could screw me. I don't know if it's a good idea. Hey Kiwi Steve, what up? Spider on the left side of my chair. Well, you know what? If it bites me and I become Spider Woman, I'm all for it. This is just so small. This is basically just trading in the chop, which means I can maybe just do this. No. No. That feels like gambling. Austin, watching to see what happens. with me, if I should do this or not? Yeah, The problem is I have no this one would purely just be a bit of a gamble, which is bad. David, you are a bad influence, my man. Bad influence. No, say not for a buy, for a sell. Problem is, it could wick out. You know what? Lower the risk size. Yeah. It's so tiny. It's so tiny. I can even put 10 contracts. Okay, well, I can put 5. This is a teeny weeny little trade. I mean, I've got 1, 2. I guess. Like 2 confluences. Like a B setup. Jerome, oh my goodness, wow, there's a lot of... Oh my goodness, there's so many... Oh, this feels bad. This feels like a mistake. Like I said, it's 5 contracts, it's itty bitty. Someone's gonna yell at me, I know it is. And no, so... Remove the glasses, then I can't see anything! Maybe that's the plan. I don't want to see what happens, so I'll just take the glasses off. Remember the opening price. Oh my goodness! I forgot the opening price! Oh shoot. Aww. It missed. Pity. Pity. If it hadn't have missed, it looks like it would have been a goodie. It missed me. Point is, I placed it. I placed the trade. I placed the trade. Yes! Suck it. Okay. Crazy Flash. Yes, this is futures. Yes, this is the 1 minute time frame. Thanks for subscribing. Might be an option. Oh, let's see. Crazy. Oh, is there a crazy delay? Sorry, Kellen. Is there? Really? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Come on. Like I said, that one was a little bit risky. That was like a B setup, but still. Point is, I placed the trade, right? But I've just gone a little bit higher. It would have gotten me in. Oh well. Next. On to the next. Let's see the new opening. $160, $139. What should happen here? Let's see, Austin. Hello, good afternoon from Uganda. What up? How's it going? Hello, hello from South Africa. How's it going? How you doing? Are you asking if I'm making money? I'm yeah. Not yet. Didn't hit the 50%, so that is still valid. Oh, damn. Okay. Jose Maya, be modest. Was I not? Which instruments? Oh, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. When you're going to place a trade, how do you deal with your fear? Oh, listen. Do it scared or do it afraid. Right? And then the more you do it, the less you start to fear it. Do it scared. But if I'm really not comfortable with it, then just risk management, right? I just make sure I maybe place less contracts so it makes no difference. And the losses actually, just don't let the losses bug you. I try to not let them. This is gonna annoy me though if this goes back down. Point is, hey, Silver Bullet Trader, what's up? Chart will boom by now. Trash, it can be. 15-minute candle, no wick to the downside. Okay. Okay. We created a little bit of an inverse feedback. Why is it going so slowly? I thought it. I didn't do it. Why did I not do it? Fine. You're in profit and want to move your stop loss, take partials, and if you can't handle the drawdown, lower risk size. So Austin, especially with, because I'm just trading a 1 to 2 hour model right now. Taking partials with a 1 to 2 hour model mathematically makes no sense. Okay, I hope that made sense, but mathematically it makes no sense. I might as well take everything out. Hello. My question. Oh, your question is how to stay focused and motivated. Well, as you can see, sometimes the focus is not quite there. But to be fair, it wouldn't be there regardless. I do have some ADHD. It's why the 1 minute actually helps. I know it's a lot of noise for some people, but the 1 minute keeps my attention. If it was like the 5 minute, there was nothing happening, this would be worse. Oh, cheers, Saint. Enjoy. Good night. Good night. That's fine. If you are freaking out in confidence, you're gonna be either lost the plot or haven't back chasing enough, you know. If I'm freaking out in profit, I don't freak out in profit though. I leave it alone. I have very much a strategy where it's place it. I wouldn't say and leave it, but there's some risk management. So, because it's a 1 to 2 hour trade, when it hits like the 1 to 1 hour, I mitigate my risk by half. So if it does come back up, I only lose half. So risk management again. And then when it goes to 70%, I move my stop loss to break even. Oh, thanks, Jason. Okay. So, God Save Us, 007. Interesting. So I use just some ICT concepts. So I use some of his concepts and confluences, well, as my confluences. I hope that answered that kind of. Hey, wow, there's a lot of people today. I love it. What's up? A lot going on. I'm all for it. Does mean I need to maybe focus up a little bit more, but very, yeah. A little bit choppy right now. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Awesome. In 5 hours and a few. Again, a little bit of debate with regards to that, but depends on how many partials you take at that level. What else in your photo? This one. Only using it. Nice. Okay. Okay, Celestial going to the low of. You think so? Celestial, why? Heard request today, I will receive it. Nice, Akashi! Apparently, Solly. Apparently. Yeah. Solly, I love how you call him your dad. Like, I'm saying that, imagine he is actually your dad. Is he? Solly, tell me your secrets. Is Michael actually your father? Akash, whoop whoop. Taking up to 5th most used. Use it to like either trail aggressively and profit or if you want to let it take some. Yeah, that makes sense. Celestial because I'm crazy. I mean, that makes sense, right? I get it. I get it. But you seem crazy fun. This is actually just ranging again, which is not nice. Can we have a bit of a decision? Where's my lucky duck at? Lucky duck? Oh, lucky duck. Where's he at? I even specifically went on today to see if Lucky Duck had posted anything on Discord, and Lucky Duck had not. Sad. Looking to see if there's a reaction at 205. So right at that resistance level. Cool. Oh, sorry, Mohammed. Sorry. Inferno, what's up? How's it going? Oh, goodness gracious. Are you gonna miss me when where are you going, Rip? What do you mean when you're gone? Where are you going? That also made me think about that song. Sorry, that... yeah. Sorry, that hurt me a little bit. I don't... okay. Maybe he is. Maybe just send and be like, listen. Do you want to adopt me? That'd be quite cool. Am I planning on going bald? Absolutely not. Why? Oh, I would not look good bald. Do you think streaming adds more emotion or increases the amount of focus it takes to show? Oh. Sorry. When Lucky Duck says something, you gotta focus up. Okay. Let's see, Lucky Duck. I don't know if it's gonna pop back up here one last time. Again, it's cheeky. Again, it is cheeky. Also, Lucky Duck, you didn't answer. Where are you going? Why are you leaving me? That's so mean. Do I think streaming add like more emotion and increases the amount of focus it takes straight? Yes. Yes to both. Like obviously it's a little bit nerve-wracking because there's a lot of contradicting views. There's some people who are like, nah, it's gonna go long now, and some that are like, nah, it's gonna sell. So you really have to stick with your setup. And if you're wrong, you're wrong. If you're right, awesome. I'm aware that I'm too late for this, but part of me is gonna do this because it's choppy. And it does look like it wants to start pushing down. No, just behave. Sorry, I don't know why I'm kind of having like FOMO today and I'm wanting to just place trades. Wait for A+ setups. Wait for A+ setups. Like, I'm being so cheeky for no reason. Give me a minute. Aw, Kalani, that's so sweet, thank you. No, David, that like, I think it's called like cups from Pitch Perfect. Cool, nice to know that I was correct with this one and that one. Did I take them? No, but I was correct. Exactly, there's always something new to learn. No, but then you can't leave me. Rip you now, my friend. You can't just disappear. How dare you? You're gonna be stuck with me for life. I'm gonna annoy you. Hey Larry, what's up? Remember what the crazy guy said? I remember, Celestial. I was forced you to like stick with your setups. Exactly, Austin. You just have to stick with it and stick with your rules. Stick with your guns, if you will. I mean, that's low-key disappointing, but it is what it is. Took there now. At least it looks like we're potentially out of this chop. Into this inverse. Are we gonna just bounce off of it? We might bounce off of it. We're gonna bounce back up to VWAP though. Oh, no. Watch the time. Set up my form. Could potentially if it bounces off of this. Let's see now. For crying out loud. Okay. Such small movements today that I have to put 10 contracts in. Oh, what the heck? Cool. Maybe not 10 anymore. What the heck, man? No, why? Whoopsie. Pressed the X accidentally. Shoot. That was cool. That was cool. That was cool. Interesting. Here we come. Whee! David, stop it. Don't rush if it goes without you, that's fine. No, I know, and it hits ripped level. Means it might bounce back up. It ran, okay, give me 2 seconds. My dog's bothering me. 2 seconds, now that it's just run away without me. It's fine. Okay, I see we coming back up. Literally, wow, rip. What the heck, man? Tap directly into your level. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, I'm just in time. Am I? It might. Yep, let's place 5 again. Okay. But it's placed. Although it looks like it's going to be respecting the inverse fair value gap down now. Shoot. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Hey, my G, what's up? Seems like it's going up steadily since Sunday. Random. I must be a lucky duck. You must just be a lucky duck, Rip. I don't know how you do it. You're just the luckiest of ducks. What was there? At that exact level. Rip, I swear you're just like a magician. I'm convinced you're a magician. I'm out of 2 with 2 more running. Ooh, nice. Hey, Raphael, how's it going? Post the trade. Ooh, okay. Well, 1 exit is getting dumped hard. I'm gonna go check it out now, Rip. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Oh, back up. Still fine. Sigh. Okay. So not only are you a magic duck, Rip, you're a... No, sorry, magic duck. Not only are you a lucky duck, you're a lucky magic duck. Interesting. Oh well. My love Smurf. No. Rip has literally just been helping me more than I can actually say. Normal, yeah. No, I did not. When did I say that? Did I? I did not. David, did I swear on stream? You're making me question my life. Did I swear? I did not. You're just being... When? I did not. Gonna displace the went lows from yesterday. Can I buy now? Mohammed? I mean, you could buy for quick. Scalp, potentially. Point is, it's placed. I'm leaving it alone now. Leave it alone. Nobody touch. Oh, it do look good on the 5 minute. Looks promising. Looks promising. Cool. Could retrace a little bit higher than I wanted, but let's see. Pointers. It's a decent setup. Now it's hands off and leave it alone. Just say sorry and duck it. Thanks, Rip. No, maybe I just said duck, David. I'm just not trusting the short side this week. True. Balance. No, wait. Well, David, maybe you need hearing aids, just like I need these glasses. Okay. Cool. Wow, that was super sassy. I'm so sorry. It could. Let's see. It could just continue to the downside, and it didn't get me, and then it is what it is. But again, there's at least now been twice where I did place a setup. So you can't say I'm not placing the trades today, right? Yes, yes, cool. Hello, welcome, Yash. How's it going? And Portal, there we go. Portal, what's up? We are trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome. It's supposed to be a moment of the point. Thanks, Stick with your guns. It's inspiring to see. Oh, thanks, Austin. I really appreciate that. What do you think about people that say don't talk about trading with others? And then streaming, what? Really? There's people that say that? We, you know, the whole point of this community. The whole point is for people to be able to learn and grow together. There's some people that have been trading for years, some people that are new, some people that haven't even started trading yet. All wanting to learn. You know, there's people that have been trading for years and someone else can come across and bring up something that they'd never thought about, and it just maybe makes their setup that much better. I always find it so interesting to see that even after years and years and years of trading, why didn't you come tag me in? Anyways, after years and years and years of trading, you can still be learning new things. Oh. Oh, Celestial Poop. Come on. You're supposed to be positive here. On the 5 minute, it looked promising for it to potentially come pull the gap. But maybe it is just gonna continue down, and that's fine. Solly, yeah, don't tell your friends and family into. Yeah, okay, yeah, no. Solly, you have a point there. Don't tell your friends that aren't traders. I tell some people and they just look at me. There's a bad rep for traders. A lot of people just think it's gambling. You know, I made the mistake of telling, I think it was my aunt, wow, did I get an earful about that? And I was just like, okay, cool. You know what? Cool. That's not a very promising candle, is it? But let's just... oh, sorry. Rizzy? How long have I been trading with Top One? How do I like them? I haven't been trading with them for very long. Only a month? A month? 2 months? Somewhere there. I mean, no complaints so far. But again, I'm not profitable yet, so I haven't requested a payout yet, so I'm not sure, because I know apparently there's been some question marks around that, but I've had no complaints. I've been enjoying it. Nothing weird going on here. Yesterday 9:25 and final TP 4:39. So Celestial, you're in this, right? Yeah, do I trade in gold? I've tried to trade in gold before. No, just leave it alone. If it's not a win, it's not a win. Oh, no, Rip, no, why? Rip. Man, now I'm nervous. Now Rip has made me nervous. Sorry for messing with your trade. Take it as a tip. No! Teach Maya to marry you. Michael, can you afford horses? No, he says it's gonna take me out, Austin. Sorry, Austin, there we go. Well, at least Solly understood what I was trying to say. My bad. No, valid. Okay. No. You know what, Rip? When you're right. Then I won't lose as much, but... No, you Blixum. Let's sell... Then let's just make it 2. Okay. What language am I speaking? I speak gibberish sometimes, but but English is my main language. No! Hey Laura, welcome. Laura, I haven't been able to really ask you, how has Nasdaq been treating you? Good, bad, maybe? 139. Hey Laura, so are you getting lots of whoop whoops now? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. It's a little bit more predictable than gold, Laura. Which I find super interesting because I've heard a bunch of times that actually... No, I have. I've heard a bunch of times that gold is more predictable, but I'm starting to realize that maybe that's not the truth. There we go. I am definitely, well, no, I'm definitely not Australian. I would, whoa. I think I'd be too crazy. Would I? Yeah. To be fair. No, never mind. Sorry, my brain went all over the place for a minute there. It's okay. It breaks the box line, put a sell buy, and then work on the 5-minute growth for about 30 here. Damn, Laura, okay. Look at you go. That is amazing. Massing my mamie, she treats me good. I love that. David, we can debate that. I don't think a lot of people can handle me. I'm a lot to deal with. I'm sure you guys have noticed. I talk a lot. I'm expensive because of horses. You know, horses are expensive. Oh my goodness. Anyways. Thank you. Yeah, but Laura, That is definitely some whoop whoop stuff right there. Well done. That is so cool. So you're now happy that things are calming down. Sorry, I'm just watching this. Rip? What? What do you mean another fake thing about? Wow, that was blurry as hell. Okay, what do you mean another fake thing about me? That is so mean. I have asked you specifically if you want to see what's going on behind. It's boring. I don't think you want to see that. So boring, so boring. Oh, wow, I can't see anything. Wow. Give my eyeballs a minute. Selling it, attempting record. Huh. Oh. Purpose made me so nervous now. Part of me wants to almost change it to just one contract. Maybe I should just change it to one contract. No, just leave it at 2. It's fine. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Boom Banana, what's up? Cheap? What's cheap? Sometimes follow each other. Bet 500. Let's see. Ah, David. Let's see. Oh, Boom. Is that what you're asking? If you insist, I have a look up behind. Oh, you guys are so funny. Okay, I'll post a picture on Discord. How about that? Will I post it? I'll send it to you guys on Discord and you guys can see. There's a cupboard and there's stuff for my horses. That is it. Laura, do I think buy or sell Nasdaq? I'm sticking with sell for now. I know some people think it might be a buy soon, but I'm sticking with potentially a sell. It might come get me out, but trend is friend until it's not. Right now it's trending to the sell side. So trend is friend. Theoretically, yes, the entry would be better here. But as you can see, it's tapped into it twice. Yeah, I can have it. I think too much. I think too much. Like, that's a compliment and an insult in one sentence. Brian, what's up? How do I show you now? Wow. Okay, wait. We're looking for 139. Here we go. I love your horses, by the way. That's actually a lovely company, not deadly snakes and spiders. Yeah, Celestial, you did. But I mean, I set it up. It just didn't come get me. Maybe I should have changed it there. Ah. No, but it's not my setup. Well, that sucks. I mean, good to know that I took, well, I at least placed the trades. It just didn't come and get me. Oh my goodness, stop. Edward, am I South African? Yes, I am. Mike, no. Oh my god. Whoa. What just happened? Wow. Why did all where did all the weirdos come from? What's happening? Wow, guys. Ooh. Rip. No. Okay. You are correct. I had the direction correct and the confidence to place the trade, right? Yes, we gotta look at the positives. Oh wait, this level's no longer needed. About to tap into this fair value gap over there. I feel a little bit like I'm chasing now. I do feel like I'm chasing right now, which is not ideal. Yes, I'm gonna sell it to go to Asia. Nice! Edward. Do I know JP from South Africa? No, I do not. Who is JP? And he moved to Australia. Interesting. Wait, okay. You have a question for me? What do you think of religion? Well, that's quite a controversial topic, that one. Damn. Okay, I feel like I'm chasing, so instead of, I'm gonna mitigate this risk literally by half. Because this does feel like chasing right now. It's not terrible on the 5, it's tapped there. One, 3. Okay. Jody, what up? Goodness. I don't know him, Edward. I don't think so. I mean, there's a lot of people in South Africa. Don't know. Prices and discount for sure. Oh, thanks, George. Listen, so Geordie, you'll be proud. Like sad. Believe me, I'm feeling a little bit sad, but you'll be proud. I have placed 3 trades today. None of them have come to tag me in, but I've placed them. And they were all headed in the correct direction. There was only one that I missed that I did not place, and it was here. Can you imagine if I can you imagine if I left it and left a runner? Oh man, oh well. But pointers, you'd be proud. And that's all that matters. Stop it. Boom, there's 139. Well done, Austin. Whoop whoop. Amazing. But now I'm nervous. Now is it gonna start reversing back up? Oh my goodness. Okay, the brain needs to calm down. Might 125088. If not, it remains relevant for the day. Ooh, okie dokie. Noted, Rip. Gotta mark them Rip levels. Oh. Let's see. Austin, whoop whoop indeed, well done. That is amazing. Had a major power outage here, so I'm done. No, Geordie, what the heck, man? That happened the other day to me. Pretty disappointing. Let me come back and then shoot down. Laura, let's see. Let's see. Pointers, I've set it. That's it. See, of an important level, 139 will beat. Okay. This is gonna break my heart. He's on the short, but I think Rip's already taken his trade and is done. Maybe I'd probably do nothing about it, but if you reduce risk, you're fine. Oh, thank you. I did reduce risk. I did. This is the 5-minute candle. Oh, Geordie, what was this box? I think it's an inverse fair value gap on the 15 minute. 15? Yeah, there we go. It was an inverse fair value gap on the 15 minute. And it respected it, well, not coming down, but it respected it beautifully twice. Bounced off of it. If I'd actually had my entry. You mother fluffer, why did you not... Why? You were like 2 ticks away. Why did you not come tag me in? Ah! Okay. Moving on. Don't mind me, I'm just having a moment. This is hard to watch. Well, this is hard for me. I can imagine this is hard to watch for you guys as well. What the heck? Enjoy the profit. Well done, Celestial. Possibly long-term look for 2499. Damn. You think so? $24,933. Whoa. Okay. Wait. You can get in after the nifty scalp move. Pro tip number 4. Thanks, Jordy. I'm thoroughly unamused with this right now. Whatever. Hey Robbie, what's up? A stop above the candle that made the inversion kind of thing. I hear you. Okay. I'm gonna have to look into that one. I usually set my order 50% of the fair value gap and it gets tagged most of the time. Oh, I guess that's not quite at 50% of... It's fine. Oh, it's coming back up with vengeance now. I'm losing quite a bit of confidence in this right now, but we carry on. Let's see what happens. But done to... Sorry, I don't know much about that. Celestial, which time is that again? EST time. Celestial, New York time. Okay. So it should be... What price seeks to do next? So it's not a great place to be in right now, Austin, is what I'm hearing. But It's 4:31 a.m. in Florida. Damn. I think this is gonna start pushing up, but we're in this, so it's fine. Whatever happens, happens. I have mitigated the risk by half regardless. So if it's a loss, me. I know that's a weird thing to say, but me. I'm not gonna place that yet. Maybe I should. Would it be better if I change it to EST time? Right? Probably. Run back up is possible if we pull up strong. Yep. I think it's gonna break through the resistance level. No! But Rip, please do that. Okay, I will do that. I mean, part of me is considering, do I just take it out if it goes to break even? If it goes to break even. Ugh. Just hands off, right? Hands off! I think there's a good chance it'll retest 139. Here's to hoping, Austin, but... Does it work? I haven't tried. Oh, damn! Haha, cool. I've never... Thanks, Jordy. You don't want this close close if he does, you want aggressive pushback. I should probably... Oh, just hands off, right? Hands off. Hey GMG, what's up? How you doing? It's going a little bit... Let's see. Wait, actually, do you know what I want to do? I want to take off some here. I'm gonna buy, let's say, 3 there. Wait, will that change the whole 5? It might. Does it move the whole 5 down? It does move the whole 5 down, never mind. Yeah, I'm just... Actually, I should just stop looking. Anyways, I'm just gonna chat to you guys. What's up? But I did. Well, I tried. Oh, I see. I see. You're seeing white and blue, so it's going down. Well, meh. Meh. Oh, GMG, very lucky this morning I pulled a gold card. That's amazing. How much is that then worth? Do you sell the cards? Do you get them graded and stuff? Or what do you do, GMG? Is this top step? No, sorry, this is top 1 futures. On Project X. You see, I'm not actually looking right now. Or should I let it run? Is that being greedy? I feel like it's being greedy. It's very choppy today. No, let me not be greedy. Oh, Austin says let it run. My TP is below. 139 is there. Oh dear. Thanks, David. Oh, goodness gracious. Only grade rare cards else will give her. Interesting. How much is it to grade a card? So I don't know anything about that. Like a whole new world. But you know, curiosity always gets the best of me. How much is it to grade a card? What am I trading exactly? I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Damn, okay. Okay, yeah, that is quite expensive. Oh no. Fill that gap, yeah, I was about to say. Aw, thanks, David. Very cheesy. Very cheesy. Break even button. The break-even button is the box outside of the windows. There's a red and green buy and sell button. Why do I know? Oh, I see. What? That's interesting. See, always learning new things. Aw. Oh, see, so I'm not profitable yet. Just saying. I'm using PSA 30 can be cheaper than others. Interesting, interesting. This might want to pop up, but it is what it is, so it's fine. How long have I been doing it? I've been trading since April. 162 could be very telling. Like I said, it's nah, I think it's gonna start pushing up. Oh well, it is what it is. Like I said, I mitigated it by half regardless, so it's okay. Trading most of today, GMG? No, so, well, actually, what time is it? So I stay on until like 12, and then I go from there. Bounce down from 64, please, and thank you. If I take breaks, I do. Should reject there if it's going lower. I don't know if it's gonna go lower. Hey Ethan, how's it going? How you doing? Come just in time to see a little bit of a loss. Oh well. How are you? $200 for you. Okay. Which time frame? I'm on the 1 minute right now. Yes. April this year. EMS boy? M's boy? Nah, David, I gotta go make sure they're looked after. Getting nervous for your 15th birthday. 15th birthday? Ethan? Yeah, basically, Geordie. And there was fair value gap and my shelf, if you will. My shelf. I did say this wasn't the greatest trade. 2 reasons. This was a B trade. And I did say it felt like I was chasing. which is also why I mitigated the risk literally by half. Because I'm not 100% with it, so it is what it is. GMG, what are my horse's names? My horse's name is Finn. I'm gonna be more specific, it's File In. But Finn. Damn! Okay, Ethan. I did not know that. I don't trade, no I don't. I just trade the Nasdaq futures for now, specifically the micros. And... never mind. I'm waiting for it to take me out at this point. Part of me wants to close these. Just give it up. Anyways. It's cool if you downsize though, yep. No, so I did downsize, it is what it is. And like I said, fine. I did at least place. I placed like 5 other, I'm being dramatic. I placed like 3 other trades today. All of them had the correct direction, correct everything. It just didn't tag me in. Why do you think that, Jordy? Out of curiosity. I know it's Wednesday. Why are you complaining about it being hot though, Ethan? It's nice. On to the next one, exactly. Okay, on to the next one. Oh, womp womp, thanks. Thanks, apple butter. Appreciate it. Literally mitigated by half. You can see normally I risk 200. That was just a $100 loss. It is what it is. Let's see if it rejects off this inverse fair value gap again. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Thanks, David. Oh, no! Stutz. Dagnabbit. So wait, Stutz, you have a win there? Whoop whoop. This specific strategy I'm trading with? Yes. Made the right decision. You reduce risk without you. Okay. Mother fluffer. I love it. Rip gives me homework and I'm all for it. I'm like, absolutely, let's do this. Tomorrow's a bank holiday and interest rates are very relevant. Tomorrow's a bank holiday? Is tomorrow Thanksgiving? Is that why it's a bank holiday? Oh damn, Ethan, that's bad. But yeah, wait. Oh, okay. Well, that's cool. Anyone have any cool Thanksgiving plans? I guess. Do you know what I did? Do you know what I did? I didn't listen to myself. Oh my gosh. Let's see if this continues back down. If this does, I'm gonna be really grumpy with myself. If it goes back up, it is what it is, but I didn't listen to the one freaking fundamental thing that I keep telling myself. Shoot. When you have time now, watch for your confidence opening. The price did at that time. Okay. Then a short day Friday. For me, it's like watching. That's valid. Mother fluffer. Oh, got it. No, I say mother fluffer. And a short day on Friday. Oh, wait. How short is short? Does it close early on Friday? Hey, Jonathan, what's up? Greetings from Mexico. Hello. How are you doing? Hey, boom. I had a loss. It's fine. It's fine. I had the correct idea with what, 4? No, 3 of the trades. The 4th one just was not, but it's fine. Oh, thanks, Jose. That's very sweet. Why did I change my entry? Oh, no, that's why I'm saying I made a mistake. I think. Let's see what this does now. But I made a mistake. If this goes back down, I am gonna kick myself because I know exactly what I did. How much am I trading at a time? So I do around $200 risk per trade. And I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Micros, to be specific. This is top 1 futures. Ooh, oh, interesting. What time does it close on Friday, Apple Butter? Is there a new... No? Is there a new One Punch Man? No, there's not. Was there only 3 seasons? Is there a new season that's come out? Got to DM later. Hi. Ari, what's up? How's it going, everyone? What's happening? Share the hot. Stop. I think it closes at New York time. Ah, okay, cool. Oh, shoot. Oh, I feel like an idiot. I know what I did. 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 Okay. It's fine. That was 100% my fault there. Sugar honey iced tea. Oliver, how long have I been trading? I've been trading since April. So if you want to know what I did, rule 10 tends to be, if it has not retraced to 50% level, it tends to go back up to the 50% level. And it didn't retrace back up that high, which means I should have continued following it down, and there's the entry. And I didn't listen to my rules, and I moved the range down there. Okay, well that was my fault. It is what it is. It happens. The close below 1 for 1139 could indicate. Yep. Oh, thanks, Rip. It's okay. At least I know what I did, right? And you have to be aware of the mistakes you made. It's fine. It is what it is. Yoga chick has departed the gym. Time for me to go smash some legs. Cheers, Jordy. Yeah, stay away from yoga. It's gonna hurt you. That's how you improve by the mistakes. Not exactly, Austin. That is 100%. It's still frustrating though, making silly mistakes. But never a loss, it's always a lesson. Taking 1 micro here. Okay, NK, long or short? Oh, long. There we go. That answers that. Sorry. This hurts me in my soul a little bit. This really does hurt me in my soul. Why did I not listen to myself? Why did I not listen to myself? You silly goober. One for 10139. Here we go. Yep, Austin. Smack dab on it by the looks of things. Oh, that hurts. That hurts me a lot. I mean, I could have been cheeky and placed a you know, stop order, but it's fine. Was that 1 to 3R? No. You're choosing. Thanks, Jordy. I mean, maybe. Just be like, wait for it. Now go, go, go. You don't want to short it relative height anyways. Yeah, that's true. Valid. Oh well, it is what it is. Let's see, like everyone said, we still got New York session. Yeah. We still got New York. Well, I mean, we still have a few minutes. Let's see how this plays out now. Damn, Austin, it really is respecting that level completely. Dash, what about gold? Either to go up or down. David, I'm not that short. Like, I'm very average height. Very average height. If anything, no, I won't say I'm tall here in South Africa, but I'm very average. I don't, Yaku. Yakulis? Oh, it's a daily level. Got it, got it, got it. Yes, it's just hanging around the view app, so there's no trade for me. Oh, apple butter, that sucks though. What the heck, man? Is it? Where's VWAP? Oh, I have not placed VWAP on ES. That is a silly goose move right there. Disappointing. Disappointing, but it's fine. We still got New York session. We have got this. Nice. Ngu, what's up? How's it going? How are you? Well, I mean, are you South African? Out of curiosity? If it wants to retrace and go low, 171.184 is the ideal area to reject in your books. So again, basically this inverse fair value gap is a good level. Yeah, basically around this and VWAP. Okay, okay. Cinderella trade. Oh! Oh, thanks. On the 5 minute. Nice. 253. Mungo, you think it's gonna go up to 25300? Is that your TP? Thanks, David. Hey, another South African. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. There's a few of us here. Am I going to ride this wave? Probably not. It looks like, let's see. It looks like we are faltering a little bit with regards to volume. And we got 3 minutes. Maybe. I need to go back and double check some things with regards to timing of the London session. Maybe it would be beneficial for me to come more this time and start trading. It looks like some really cool, decent moves start to happen around this time where I hop off. You have one to close in. Nice. Hey, Sparrow. Is that Sparrow's hit or Sparrow? What up? How's it going? Sorry, that is hilarious. Jose, no, this is Nasdaq futures. I would like to see you. Okay, sorry, I'm having such a good giggle. How long have I been doing this? Since April. But I think spending time on the demo account is a good idea. And what? Well, I mean, I'm on a prop firm. Is that what you're asking? Is it a good idea to be trading eval? Sparrow said, do I know you? What do I think of Hollow Knight? Silk Song. I have not listened to that. The trading has been going good. 139, here we go again. Right, Austin, it really is on a mission to do that, which again makes me a little bit grumpy. Put it on this. More accurately, I guess it would be that one, but no, we're still just kind of low-key ranging in that area. It's fine. Have I ever tried tick shots? I have not stopped. I have not. Is it better? Worse? Damn, David, that was rough. Yeah, so no, so MSpot, I trade prop firms. I don't trade then demos. Yeah. Well, do people really profit from trading? Yes, some. Some really, really do. Am I funded? Not yet, NK. I'm here to be very open and honest about the whole process. I'm not funded yet. I have not passed this eval. I'm getting closer. But it feels like I have some really good days where I get really excited and then, you know, maybe then 2 or 3 red days, which then sets me back. But it's getting better and better each time, so we're getting there. Move starts around that time. Practices predict them based on how you internalize price. Don't worry, Sparrow, I will not. I'll not do anything. Absolutely, there's a bunch of us. So you should join New York session. There's a bunch of South Africans if you want. There you go. Nope, what am I doing? Wrong thing. Here you go. You guys are more than welcome to join the Discord as well. You know, it's an amazing community. How much time do you put into studying this? Ah, so much. So much. Anyways. A serious volume build-up, so wait patiently for breakdown. Show feet and toes, no. Oh, thanks, NK. Well, I hope, well, you know, that's the goal, right? In all honesty, the main... I mean, there's a few issues right now. My setup does need some tweaking. You know, it could be better. I'm very aware of that. It's not like an amazing strategy, but it's good and it's basic for now, which is maybe what I need. the main thing I need to work on is the psychology. The psychology is, it's hard. It is so hard. And then trusting the setup. And sometimes I have the perfect setup and I go, and I start to doubt it, and then it plays out, and then I feel really dumb. What I've done to pass my tutors. What do you think about the... What about oversizing to try and rush through them? I can't say because I don't have experience with that. Sorry, Austin, like I did no experience with regards to that, unfortunately. How old am I, out of curiosity? Guys, in like a week. In 6 days, to be specific, I'm turning 27. No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Apple butter, yep. I know, me and Apple butter, we're in this together. Apple butter, we've got this though, right? Maybe we need to like start sending each other like little pep talks before the sessions. Be like, you've got this, we've got this, we're good. NK, I appreciate that, but yeah. I'm better with controlling the emotions, but sometimes I psych myself out of A+ setups. That's the frustrating part. John, it's a bit all over the place, but let's see what happens. Oh. Cool. You... No, wait! Apple butter, is it your birthday? Is it your birthday, Apple butter? Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Apple butter! You should have said something, man! I would have said happy birthday ages ago! What do you have to work on? Testing to improve your confidence? Yep, selecting something based on data to help your decision making at key times. I'm gonna copy paste this, but yes. Rip, you know what? When you're right, you're right. Yo, Grandpa, that's so mean. Come in. Yeah. Practicing it, executing it, profiting from it. Yep, 100%. That's it, Rip, right? Oh, sorry, David, my bad. I'm sorry. No ways! You lie! You're 28 in 6 days? What? So do we have the same birthday? Good morning, good morning. Well, let's see what New York brings, John. Maybe something good happens there. As your hero, it does get better with practice. What I suggest is to build confidence. You have to do it, otherwise, you know. Yep. Oh, Steven and Steven's back. I love it. Steven can come give David back some rubbish. I'm all for it. Jimmy, same as well, but we all open it on us here next week Tuesday. Is it? Is it next week Tuesday? The 2nd of December? Is that next week Tuesday? No ways. Yeah, next week Tuesday, damn. Nah, David, I'm sure it's fine. Let's see. I just turned 19, body aches and pains. Oh, NK, you know what? I feel that. It feels like I'm turning, well, 27 turning 80. That is 100%. I go and do things, I'm like, oh, like I literally have dents. This sounds weird. Hear me out. I have dents in my muscles. My muscles are dented. All because of horses, but still, like, I have a dent in my leg because a horse kicked me in my leg. You know, things happen. What type of phone do I have? This Samsung. I'm really bad with phones. It's the Samsung. Ronnie, how's the trading been over the last month? Wow, guys, we've been having a nice fat chat. I actually have to go to the horses soon, but I will answer these last few. How's the trading been over the last month? It's been better. Okay. It's been better. I haven't blown an account in like a month, maybe even 2 months, which is that's really good for me. I haven't blown an account in a while, which is awesome, but now it's just to start growing it and continue growing it to pass the eval. That's the next step. At least we're not just blowing accounts anymore. That's exciting. Thanks, Jimmy, appreciate it. Quest 3 on I am. I should see the horse. What about the horse? Can I speak Afrikaans? I can. I can understand Afrikaans. I can speak it really badly, but I can. Is jy Afrikaans? I mean, I'm assuming you are. Starts, how much do I backtest? I try to backtest every weekend. Try being the keyword. It really depends, and especially with December coming up, all of a sudden all the weekends are freaking busy, which is annoying. Oh, thanks, Ronnie. Yeah, I guess it starts with being, I don't want to say a loser, but you know, with losses, and then break even, and then from there, I guess the next step is profitable. Too many narrative. Oh, that's true. You guys are so sweet. Okay. No, I'm actually Austin. I'll leave with you. Okay. Guys, I gotta go. You guys are amazing. Thanks. That was lots of chit chat there. I'm all down for that. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. I will be back for the New York Open if anyone wants to come and join in. By the way, all my fellow South Africans, all the prop firms in my description below are SA friendly, because I know South Africa were banned for some prop firms. So all the prop firms in my description are South Africa friendly, and you can use my affiliate link, which is TeachMaya, to get a discount, which would be awesome, and the support would be really helpful and amazing. But have an amazing day, evening, night, middle of the night, depending on where you are. I hope it's awesome. I will be back for the New York Open session later today for me, or tomorrow morning for some of you. I love you madly. Thank you again for joining. I shall be back, and hopefully we got some green. Let's see though. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.